Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla!
My people, me there, you know. Blessed manners and respect to each and everyone. My people, in a video that I'm about to present to you, a person basically point out and explain a certain situation. And let me tell you something, what the person talk about in this video is not really an easy situation, especially when you live certain places within the country of Jamaica. See, because what the person basically point out have something to do with what some people might call politics in Jamaica. But my people, I like you look and listen to some words that a person say in this video and tell me what would you do if you find yourself in a situation that the person talk about in this video. Look and listen to this video and they will talk some more. Observe my people.
People of Jamaica, I sure no people dead for no reason at all.
Listen.
So, this is my yard gate.
Listen.
Coming from work Friday evening and come see this put up our yard gate. So, this put up right our yard gate and this our gate. So, I come in Friday, come see. We don't know where that come from. You can imagine now, you go take down this from your yard gate and carry it down more, go put down this up. If you tear down this now, the people of Jamaica, or even say people of Jamaica, people are going to say you're PNP. And if you have up this right at your yard gate now, PNP people are going to say you're a Labour right. And you can't go avoid problem now. So me want to know why now a right so I make get the people and choose to come put this. I never voted a day in my life. And people that cause problem now. People every walk the man them walk past them steer over here so. And I say boy so they must say we are Labour right and if you move it carry it down now Labour right people are going to say you're PNP can't stay with a problem.
I hope you understand what the person said or the person point out in the video now. I am wondering what would happen if somehow another political party sign for the other party somehow had been placed right beside that political party sign that you can see in the video at where the person call a gate. See? I mean, what would happen if both political parties' signs was at that gate? Then what would happen? Would that person or anyone that live within that area be considered as neutral? Tell me, what would you do if you find yourself in a situation like that? Next topic. Now here I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a situation that could have become very dangerous. I do not know where the video had been recorded. And this video is going to show some things that happened when two persons who each were holding objects that I call weapons was behaving aggressive towards each other. Yes, this video that I'm about to present to you is going to show one person holding something that looks like a machete. And the video is going to show another person holding something that looks like a knife. And they were behaving a certain way towards each other that it looked tense to me. However, listen to this. At some point, a person dressed in police uniform intervened viewing subscribers. And in my point of view, that somewhat de-escalated the situation. Now, I wondered what would have happened if police never intervened when it comes down to that situation. Big up to all police officers who work hard to maintain peace in the viewing subscribers. See? Take a look at this video and tell me what you think about the situation. Oh, and the video have no audio. And viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe. So, see two persons, them are people. Look, watch it. Look how them moved towards him wider. I feel wonder, what go on this up. Was that a conversation? It's a see? It's a some police officers them brave enough. And you see worse again, like we have some people with some mental problem too. Me not take a chance. Me not tell her. You see it? Yeah, man, if I saw police, them that on, hey, drop that, drop that, drop that, drop that, lay down on the ground, lay down on the ground. If I did some police, you know. Yeah, I tell you, if I saw police and that, then they man, you think they might come near you with no farmer weapon in your hand? You have to go drop it before them even come near to you. That's how you go. But I mean, who knows? You know, maybe, you know. So let me know what you think about that situation, my people, alright? Now, I'm going to present a video to you that will be recorded within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. And the video is going to show a person who somehow found himself in a difficult situation. So the video is going to show a person who somehow found himself on a large rock that has a certain amount of water around it, viewers and subscribers. And the water I'm talking about is like rough sea water. I mean, the water was splashing all over the rock, you know, it's like rough sea within the area. There are allegations and speculations as to how the person ended up in a situation like that, but I did not get any confirmed information as to how the person ended up in a situation like that, viewers and subscribers. So it is believed that the person found himself on that large rock to avoid losing his life or to avoid being taken away by the heavy water or the heavy sea. I got the understanding from the video and information that had been put out there on social media that police arrived at the location and that the person who was on the large rock had been rescued by persons who are said to be lifeguards. The video that I'm about to present to you is going to show at least two persons wearing some type of clothing or tops that have lifeguard mark on them. So here I'm going to present the video to you so that you can get a better understanding about the situation. But I want you to please bear in mind, the viewers and subscribers, that this video shows a situation that can be somewhat shocking and somewhat tense. Because the video shows a person on a large rock that has a certain amount of body of water around it. And the person was in a difficult spot that's considered as life-threatening. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe. So the person, the people.
Man went out to telling them the help a man was drunk and they pull out. He gets stranded right outside, real bad of it. Coast telling them arrest mission is.
How the person find himself in a situation like that? That I want to understand that is being asked.
Just came out of that situation.
Look, you see those persons? Look at the tops there. Look. Oh, he finds himself this up. Look, he had been rescued still, you know. He had been rescued, you know. Persons of the family that plan in order to rescue that person. I saw at least one piece of video that shows how a certain amount of persons work together in order to rescue that person from off that large rock, in viewers and subscribers. And let me tell you something, the whole situation was nail biting, you see me? When I say nail biting, I mean that the situation never did get certain information as to what really happened at the time. I say, OMG, young, hope them make it, hope them make it. And eventually they did. You see me I say, what may I tell you? So my people, I want to say this to each and everyone, at any time you get information from news reporter, whether it's a weather forecaster or support, say, hey, the ocean are rough, please be careful. I think good for listen news too. You see me? And if you look at the water and see the water be a certain ways, don't go in it. Don't even go near it. See? Yeah, because we're talking about mother nature here. Alright, so let me know what you think about everything that I talked about in this video. Here's where I'm going to leave it. If you're new to my channel, do not be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla.
Yeah, man.
Hey yo, skilla.